Hey everyone, this is Eric with Matrix Flow AI. I was about to go through the process of getting a dedicated domain for my emails, and I figured I would record the process in case anyone has trouble doing this. I should have gotten a dedicated domain a long time ago, but I just didn't think it was important. Now I've noticed that some of my emails have been getting placed in the spam folders. This is because I use my email to send automated notifications to my clients all the time when they get new leads. And my email is attached to a shared domain on GoHighLevel. So sometimes the emails get marked as spam. Anyway, I've never done this before, so bear with me. Make sure you have one window open with your GoHighLevel account and another window open with your domain hosting site, aka GoDaddy, NameCheap, whatever it is. Let's get started. All right, here's the normal dashboard. When you log in, you're just going to go down to settings, email services, and look, it's telling you right here how important it is to have a dedicated domain for your emails. I'm just going to hit create dedicated domain, and I'm going to use go.matrixflow.co. I have matrixflow.co domain on NameCheap. So add and verify. And then let's see what it's going to make us do. Okay, so we have to add 2 TXT records, 1 CNAME, 2 MX records. I went to NameCheap, went to domain list, clicked on my domain, advanced DNS to get to this page. So let's go to add new record. So this is a TXT record. I'm just going to go back and forth, copy and paste. So this first one is the host. And the value. I'm going to add another one. TXT record number 2. Go. Copy that. Oh, save it. All right, now we're going to go to, or we're going to add a CNAME now. Here. Required value here. And now we're going to add an MX record. So I went here, I went to custom MX. I'm going to hit go. Here. I don't know what the priority is. 1. Okay, we're going to do go again. Then paste this one. Save it. Oh, try one again. Not sure what that priority means, but let's see if we did it right. All right, so most of it's verified. I don't know why we had to do 2 of the same thing, but let's just wait a little bit, refresh the page and see what happens. Okay, so this one's verified now. This one says not verified, but it says this field is optional. So I guess we'll just let that go. All right, let's see. Let's go with domain configuration. All right, I guess that's it. So I refreshed this after a couple minutes. I got this green SSL issued. That's good. I think that's pretty much it. I'll let you know if this works. It should, since it's a dedicated domain now. So hopefully all my emails go through. But this is exactly what I'm talking about. This is exactly what I'm talking about when I say take action. I've never done this before, but you just got to do it. You just got to go through it. Just figure it out. That's the only way to learn. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. If you want to use GoHighLevel and trying to start an agency and you want some help, just join GoHighLevel using my affiliate link and like and subscribe the video. And I'll be sure to make some more videos. See you guys next time.